Do you struggle with citations? Well, not to fear. This is Citations Made Easy. Hey, my name is Camille Delchawad, and I'm your Instruction and Outreach Librarian here at Park University. And today I am here to show you all about Zotero, which is a citation manager that can help make your citations way easy. Your very first step is to download Zotero. Zotero is a free program, and if you make an account, you can have all of your citations on the go. Once you download it, don't forget to install the browser extension. That browser extension is going to make life so easy when you want to learn how to cite videos, web articles, and even podcasts. Once you've downloaded Zotero, it's time to get it set up. Let's start by making a brand new folder. From here, I'm just going to drag and drop the PDF copy of the article that I found using the Park University Library's databases. And you'll see that Zotero is going to populate all of the information about my article for me. I'm also looking to save a website and a video for this project. So I'm going to go to that website and that video online and use that browser extension. That browser extension works best on Chrome. As you can see, you can select the folder and make some customization to that article. And that's going to help as you continue to add resources to your Zotero folder. Now we're ready to start our paper. As I was writing this sample paper, I found some spots where I wanted to cite my sources, but in-text citations can be really difficult. But again, never fear because Zotero's got your back. All you have to do is go up to the top tab where it says Zotero and click on Add/Edit Citation. This is going to bring up a red toolbar. And from here you can search for one of the resources that you already saved to your Zotero folder. You can even cite more than one within the same in-text citation. And there you go. There's your in-text citation already formatted for you in Zotero. After you've inserted all of your in-text citations, all it takes to create your bibliography is click Add/Edit Bibliography. And there you have it. Your in-text citations and bibliography are all correct for you. Even better, Zotero works across many different word processing platforms, including Google Docs. This is an easy program that you can download to save you countless amounts of time, but also to help you learn citation format. And that's it. That's Citations Made Easy. Feel free to continue to explore Zotero and practice using the materials that I've left below. If you have any questions about Zotero or what to do, or need any help from your librarians, feel free to contact us in any of these ways. We would be glad to work with you on Zotero or any kind of research project. And that's Citations Made Easy. See you guys next time.